Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to host your website on Firebase Hosting. It's gonna be completely free. So let's get started with the tutorial. So this is the Firebase website. You have to go to the console. Then you need to create one project. So let me show you how you can create one. Here you have to give the project name. So let's give it mm, free Firebase free hosting. Okay, now click on the continue. As of now we don't want the Google Analytics for this project, so I'm going to disable it. Create project. So it will create your project. It takes around 1 minute. So in the meanwhile, let me say something about the Firebase hosting. It's a completely free and fast, and the most important thing, you will get a free SSL certificate to your hosting. So project is ready. Click on the continue. Okay, here's the dashboard of the project free hosting which we have created just now. So now we have to go to the hosting. Now click on the get started. Here, if you have not installed the Firebase or CLI command line tool, then you need to run this command. So let me show you how it works. Okay, just open your terminal and run this command. I have already installed this command, so I think it will don't do anything for me. Let's see what happens. Okay, so you will get this type of screen on the terminal for the success. Now click on the next. Okay, now for the second step, you need to create one folder for your project. So as you can see, I am creating here free host. Now open this folder in the terminal. I mean, you have to go inside this folder. So as you can see, now we are in the free host folder which we have created just now. Now here we have to run this command. Just copy paste and run it. Basically we are authorizing our local systems, the Firebase portal. So you can see I'm getting a message already logged in as my email ID. Now let's initialize the folder as our main directory. Open the terminal. Sorry for the simulator. Now run this command. Now this is the main thing. Here we got many options like database deployment, file store, functions, hosting. We have to go for this option, hosting option. Click the arrow down button to select this option and press spacebar. Now click enter. Now it is asking use an existing project, create a new project. So we have already created the project, so we'll select use an existing one. So we got all the list here. Now we will select the free hosting, this one. Now you have to just keep entering enter, and you can see the folder has been initialized. Now click next. Okay, so let me go through this folder free host. Here as you can see, few files got generated, and in the public folder we got the index.html. so it's gonna be the main file which will open as soon as you click on the Firebase this domain. So Now you have to deploy this index file to the Firebase portal. So run this command, Firebase deploy. As you can see here, it's getting deployed. Okay, so it's done. Now we can open our hosting using this link. So as you can see here, welcome to the Firebase. This is the index page. This is the page. So you can see this page is in our local folder, and this we are opening from the Firebase hosting. So this is the default index file generated by the Firebase. So let's make some changes and deploy it again. So for that you need to go again to your local free host folder. Now go to the public. Now you have to open this index.html file in some local editor. So I'm using the Visual Studio Code. Okay, here it is. So as you can see here, this is the auto-generated file by the Firebase. Let's make some changes. So as you can see here, the header one, which is Firebase hosting setup complete. So this is the Firebase hosting setup complete. This is the header one, which we can see in the file. So let's change it to welcome to okay. Save this file. Now since we have made some changes to the index file, so we need to deploy it again. So the process is same. We should have the Firehost folder open in the terminal. As you can see, I am in the Firehost folder. Now we need to run the command Firebase deploy our new index file. So it's happening, and it's done. Now see the magic. You just have to refresh it. Welcome to the warm drive. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and please let me know in the comment section if you have any doubt or any issue while hosting a website on the Firebase. Please do like and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.